Hey everyone, it's Derrick here with another video, and today we're watching the footage from my almost near crash in the Tesla Model 3. And this is footage from the dash cam, if you will, from the Tesla Model 3, which records footage basically at all times, and then if you hit the button in the top right corner, then it saves the footage to your SD card or your flash drive that's plugged into your car. And I have another video on how to actually set that up, so make sure you watch that video as well. So just watching here, chugging along, going nice and easy. It's pretty snowy on the ground, and I have quite a bit of experience driving in the snow with my snow tires. Here comes a car, oncoming car, and then you can see the tail of the car slide out. Immediately I hit the brakes, and I'm just like, what is going on with this car? And then we can see a side view here of it spinning out and tail fishing. Now, I've been trying to look up the weight distribution of trucks. As I understand, they should be front heavy if I understand this correctly, but if it's rear heavy, then it's pretty easy to go and tail fish, but this guy was clearly going way too fast. We can replay it here. As you can see, slow motion wise, it's just spinning out. It's clear as day this guy is out of control. So I'm trying to hit the brakes as soon as I can. I basically slam on the brakes immediately. You can see it in the side view camera when I hit my brakes, and it's way before I even, I see this car, I sort of predict it immediately. And yeah, the tires that I have held up to the test of braking, and yeah, some cool stuff that you can actually get with your Tesla Model 3 or any Tesla, and you can use it as a dash cam and get footage like this. So kind of cool. Great for if you get into accidents that are not your fault, but yeah, just wanted to share this with you. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.